Ever wondered how to make stunning engraved gifts with your Cricut Maker? In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to engrave using the Cricut Maker and the engraving tip. From setup to stunning results, whether you're engraving acrylic, metal or even leather, this is your beginner-friendly guide. Stick till the end for bonus tips on how to avoid common engraving mistakes. Engraving is possible only on Maker series machines. Today for this project we are using Cricut Maker 3. We will also need an engraving tip which comes separately using a quick swap housing. If you already have a quick swap housing, all you need to do is buy the tip. In case you don't have this quick swap housing, you can buy the entire unit. The other things required for engraving would be a flat acrylic base which is not more than 2.4 mm thick, a brayer tool to make sure that the material lays flat on the cutting mat, and something you can use a painter's tape to make sure that the base doesn't move on the mat. Today I will be using the strong grip tape, which is equally effective and manages to hold the material in place. We will need a strong grip purple mat to adhere the base and the Cricut Design Space for the design to be incorporated. Place your blank on the strong grip mat. Secure it with painter's tape or strong grip transfer tape on all sides. Make sure it's aligned to exact grid lines because Cricut engraves exactly where you place the design in Design Space. Open Design Space. Choose your text or image. Then change operation type to engrave. Resize your design to fit your blank. Group and attach. Once you're happy with your design, click Make It. Select On Mat option. Connect to your Maker 3 machine and select the base material as acrylic. Click Continue. Insert the engraving tip into clamp B. Load your mat and press Go. The machine will start engraving. Once engraving is done, carefully peel off the tape and blank. You can use a lint roller or soft brush to remove the debris. Here's a look at the final engraved project. Isn't it amazing what your Cricut Maker 3 can do?